Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today I have something special for you. This is not an ordinary lock, but actually a car lock, an ignition lock from a VW Golf 4. And yeah, I got this very cheap on eBay because it has a key missing, but yeah, who needs a key? But still, yeah, it is a wafer slider mechanism, and I will put a picture of the key here so you have an idea what it looks like. So you see these grooves on the key and sliders glide along this. And it's not only special because it's a car lock and this is a first for me, but also I can use some tools I've never used, like from GOSO, this tensioner here for car locks, and it really works good. In here it keeps the shutter open so we can have a nice look inside. Actually, let me give you light like this, and there you see the sliders on both sides of the lock. I've put arrows here. The ones on the right side I have to push down, and the ones on the left side I have to push up, which normally the key would do. This lock turns only clockwise, of course, and yeah, I will try to pick it with a half diamond. And actually, this is the first time I can actually use also another tool, which is a big half diamond. Like, do you see this different here in size? I would have never thought I use this, but it works quite good in here. Hopefully I can show you in a second. It's a PN01 from Multipick. So yeah, I'll get this in a vise and see you back in a second. So here we are back in the vise again. I tension clockwise with the tensioner I already inserted here, and using the small half diamond and going in very deep, just trying to get under the last slider on the right side. Okay, hopefully you got it. And sometimes that's enough on the right side already. I don't know why that has 4 sliders. I think 4 on the right, 4 on the left. But then I can switch to the big one, the big half diamond, and just pick from the corner, and they will just slide up if they want to. But it's never that easy. So last one is binding. Got it, maybe. First one binding. No. Tension almost slipping out. Okay, the one in the back, something in the front, something in the middle, the one in the back again. Yes, the one on the back, and we have the open. Nice. So yeah, my first car door lock, or no, car ignition lock, as at least that's what eBay said. I don't know, I have no clue about this, but looks like an ignition tailpiece to me. So of course you could not drive away because there's still the electronic lock, but yeah, still a fun experience, something new. Wafer locks I've not picked so often. So yeah, who's still here? Thank you very much for joining and for watching. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video again. Have a great day. Bye.